Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to organize sites into folders on Wix. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is to make sure that we head over to the All Sites. So click on the straight bar, we click on Go to All Sites, and you should be able to see all the websites that you have created in the past. So once it's done loading, you can see this sites right here. So if you want to create a folder, so click on Create New Folder right here. So let's name it Blogs and click on Create. Then once you have done that, next thing you do is just make sure to put those sites that you want to have. So click on Site Actions. Then from in there, click on Move to Folder. And then just choose the folder that you have right here. Click on Move here. So as you can see, it has been moved just like that. So what you can do next is you can just add as many sites as you want on that specific folder. So just click on Move to Folder again and then add this to site. So just do this until your sites are all organized, and you should be able to see here this folder. So if you click on this folder, you should be able to see the sites that we had added earlier. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to organize your sites into folders on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.